In this lecture, we will be covering the data types of parameters. There are 6 different data types that can be selected when creating a parameter. You have the option of float, integer, string, boolean, date, and date and time. So a float is selected when you have a decimal point in your parameter. Integer is a positive or negative whole numbers with no decimal point. So float is selected when you have a decimal point, and integers are selected when you have whole numbers. A string, so if you have a parameter that contains text, then the string parameter is selected. If you have a parameter that has a true or false statement, you can select the Boolean option when you create a parameter. When you're working with date or date and time, you would select the date data type or the date and time data type.